Hello, Internet, and welcome to another episode of On the Floor Unboxing or whatever. Today, I'm sorry, I'm not feeling too good today, okay? It's just a bad day. So I hope this is gonna be something good, like it better be. Anyways, it just came in and I can't open it. I use some tools. Okay. What do we have in here? It's 2 Steps from Hell Invincible album. Cool, right? You can write what it says yourself, right? There's some paper on here. Take it all. It's nothing special. Anyways, shining too much. Wait a bit, I'll open this. Okay, I removed this and I already feel a little better, I guess. Because we have part of coach here. It's maybe a little overused in YouTube, but I still love it. This music is amazing. I mean, I'm gonna listen to this and maybe I'll feel a lot better after listening to this. It's crooked. Okay. Anyway, there is no scratches here, so that's pretty good. Good. Okay. I'm sorry for sounding a little down today, but it's just not my day today, so. I'll see you guys next time.